Immigration Department's asylum seeker data breach costs taxpayers nearly $1 million in legal fees. A huge data breach that compromised the privacy of almost 10,000 asylum seekers has cost the government close to $1 million in legal fees. Key points: personal details of those in detention centers were online for 8 days in 2014. Immigration Department staff revealed ongoing legal costs of $955,330 in 2015-16. The department reported 7 breaches. Those legal costs are set to increase as asylum seekers argue the breach revealed their countries of origin, placing them at greater risk of persecution. In 2014, the Immigration Department accidentally published the names, gender and boat arrival dates of those in detention centers on Christmas Island and the Australian mainland. The information was online for 8 days and drew strong criticism from Privacy Commissioner Timothy Pilgrim, who said it could have been easily avoided. In response to a question asked during Senate estimates, Immigration Department staff today revealed ongoing legal costs of $955,330. Given the varying scope and nature of the legal matters that remain on foot, including any appeal right the parties involved will have available to them at the conclusion of those matters, the department is unable to provide an estimate of the costs that may be incurred in finalizing all matters related to the 2014 data breach, a spokesman said. In May, the department confirmed there were 34 matters related to the breach before the Federal Circuit Court, 6 in the federal court and 1 in the High Court. The embarrassing bungle was the result of staff copying data directly from a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet into a final report. Department Secretary Michael Pezzullo would not rule out a similar breach occurring again, saying there was always a risk of human error. During a Senate hearing, he said one of his first decisions made as secretary was placing immigration systems behind a firewall and removing internet-facing systems that were not protected. That has certainly helped to mitigate the risk of inadvertent, clumsy, accidental disclosure, he said. But the Immigration Department has reported 18 data breaches to the Office of the Information Commissioner since 2012-13. In 2015-16, the department reported 7 breaches, the largest number in a single year. Media masters, FOI backlog and credit card misuse. The department has also revealed it employs 77 media and communication staff at a cost of $7.7 million over 9 months. The costs and the number of staff is comparable to 2015 and 2016 figures, possibly reflecting the number of media inquiries lodged with the department. Immigration is also facing a considerable backlog of Freedom of Information questions, with 3,986 applications still pending approval. Close to 3,000 of those applications are now outside the statutory deadline for a response. The department has reported 484 unauthorized credit card purchases by staff during 2016. Totaling $18,964. All costs have been repaid. Immigration also says it has stopped many millions of unsuccessful, malicious cyber events targeted either directly or indirectly at the department. This is welcome news for the department, which has faced some criticism for its approach to cybersecurity in recent months.